You can put files into folders, and you can also put folders inside folders. It's all you need to know to understand what scenes and nodes are in Godot, but it needs a little explanation before it makes sense. A beginner tends to think that Godot nodes are objects like apples, trees, etc., which lie in scenes acting as levels, but this is not the case. If you're like me, a Unity user migrating to Godot, you must stop thinking about Godot in Unity terms. It just makes your life much easier and your progress much faster. In Godot, every object or entity is a scene, and a scene is a hierarchy of nodes and scenes. Consider an apple tree in a garden. It's a hierarchy. If the garden moves, the tree moves, and if the tree moves, the apple moves. In some sense, the garden can be considered as a level here, but the same applies to the tree and even to the apple. For the microscopic objects living on the apple skin, the apple is the scene. It's a whole planet. In Godot, each of the apple, the tree, the garden, and even the whole universe are individual scenes, some of which are, or better to say, can be the children of the others in the hierarchy. A scene can be a level or an object placed in a level. It is you who decides. It depends on your game and what the scene does in your game. The missing aspect here is the node. Nodes are the fundamental building blocks of scene. Back to the apple, it has a 3D mesh, a collision shape, maybe some animations, the ability to play sounds, and much more. So whatever an apple is, both the visual and auditory aspects, even its behaviors, are handled by nodes. In this sense, a scene is a hierarchy of nodes. You can put files into folders, and you can also put folders inside folders. Now you think you got the whole picture, right? Nope, there is more to that. You can attach a script to any node, and even to scenes. The functions inside those scripts are connected to signals, the route through which scenes and nodes interact with other scenes and nodes. But I wanna make these videos short, so I can upload more frequently. Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for my next video where I explain what signals are. Thank you.